stop, all you have to do is boom, let go. Got it? All right, fingers back in place. Wait, hold up. Now, this time pull it straight down towards yourself. There you go. All right, now keep an eye on